In this video, we'll talk about an easy binary option strategy that you can use to make profitable trades for lifelong. See, if you make 4 trades and 3 of your trades goes right and it gives you a 75% win rate, then that is a best strategy that you can use to make profitable trades while trading binary options. So watch this video very carefully because I'm going to show you by making few trades live in front of your eyes so that you can use this strategy exactly the way I use. And it is extremely easy and simple strategy, okay? And I have already talked about this strategy in my previous video, but again I will talk about this strategy so that you can use it in a more better way. Also, if you can modify this strategy a little bit, then I would be more than happy to see that. And if you can comment by making more trades right by modifying this strategy, then I'll be more than happy. Okay, so the strategy is extremely simple. Firstly, you select all of this currency pair that has 92% payout and make it favorite by just turning it to yellow, okay, in this way, and it will appear at here. And then just select this candlestick of S30. That means all of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Okay, now another thing that you need to do is you just click on here and then implement this indicator that is called parabolic SR. Just click on it and it will be implemented at here in this way. Okay, and you don't need to make any changes to this its setting. Okay, so now once you do this much, then you just make it clock and select S30 time. Okay, and then again make it flag and select S30. That means your trading time is anywhere from 30-second to below 30-second. Okay, so let's say this candle, let's say this new candle have started to form. Okay, now here you can see 26-second have remaining, okay, to close this candle. 23-second. Now if you make trade at here, then right after 23-second your trade will also be closed if you select this flag. Okay, so now once you do all of this setup, then I would like to announce a simple thing here. If you want to trade binary options by using free signals, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then I do have a VIP copy trading channel too. And to join that VIP Telegram channel, all the details is given in my free Telegram channel. You can see it, and if it is good fit for you, then you can join my VIP copy trading channel and copy my trades directly. Okay, so now let's go to our strategy. So now what happens is, let's see in a good market. So here you can see a good falling market, okay, anywhere. So if market is falling in this way, okay, and you see the second dot, and you immediately make a trade. Whenever the second dot forms, right at that second, make trade by clicking on lower. Or what happens is sometimes you come to see this chart and this second dot have already formed, and like the candle have already spent like 4 to 5 seconds. That means 25 seconds is remaining. Okay, and then if you can wait, okay, you can wait up to 8 seconds, and if the candle is going in opposite direction or in the same direction, okay, make trade by clicking on lower by seeing the good entry point by seeing the retracement. Don't worry, I will show you by making exact trades after some while. So first understand this strategy properly. Okay, and here you can see whenever market is going up, and you can see whenever you see this second dot of this parabolic SAR is forming and 1 second have started for this candle, you exactly make trade by clicking on higher. And for if you have come and this second dot have already appeared, then you just see for the good entry point in this candle. Okay, but don't do opposite trade. Like if this second dot have appeared, then don't make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, and if second dot have appeared, then don't make trade by clicking on higher. So now what I will do is I will keep quiet and show you the exact video that I have recorded for you to give you the proper insight on how you can make trade with this strategy. Okay, let's get started.